Today, it's an all-Bavarian showdown between three savage cars, from small to medium to large, but all packing a massive punch. Today, we find out which builds fastest, but that M2 has got a trick up its sleeve, and not all is exactly as it seems. Let's go over and meet the cars and their owners. So first up today, welcoming Yath to the strip, pulling up in his savage 4.4 litre V8 twin turbo S63 powered 850 bhp xDrive BMW M8 competition. Next up, welcoming Sammy to the races in his rapid 3 litre inline 6 cylinder twin turbo S58 powered 800 bhp xDrive BMW M3 competition. And last but not least, introducing the one and only YouTuber Michael Shoeblacker to the strip, pulling up in his one-of-one 3 litre inline 6 cylinder twin turbo S58 powered 800 bhp xDrive M2 competition. Yes, you heard right, this M2 is one of an extremely small amount that have been xDrive converted, meaning finally the G87 M2 can share the dance floor with its factory xDrive equipped siblings. Question is, will it get him the win? Place your bets. As usual, we'll be extracting all of today's race data from our V-Box Performance Box Touch GPS timing tools. And first up today is the quarter-mile roll races. All the best.
Cool, we got this.
Oh, that right. So mid-track, I reckon MSB had it, but up top, I'm saying the G80 came round him. I might be wrong. Finish line, finish line. Who won that?
That was really close. So the winner would be M2, followed by the M3, then the M8.
Ah, okay. All right, MSB. All right, cool. He got it. He got it. All right, that means we need to line back up. In fact, of course it means we've got to line back up because that's the first race. My mind is discombobulated. It's going to be a long day. It's going to be a long day. Let's race.
That was a race. That was mate, I'm sorry. I probably broke the microphone. Woo! What a race. What a race that was. Yes. Right, come on. That M3 is quick. Wow. That M3 is quick. How's the baby brother doing them though? Come on. Take your hat off. Mr. Tom Wrigley, take a bow, sir. Yeah? Mike Ball, pat yourself on the back. Mate, this is a lot harder than you might think, you know. I know it's a straight line and all that, but it's tense. It is tense. Tension's through the roof, mate.
They hit that nice that time. That was some proper racing. M8 was a little bit more in the mix there too. I'm gonna say the M2 won that. I'm gonna say he won it. Let's find out. Finish line, finish line. Who won that?
That was a win for the M3, followed by the M2, then the M8.
Oh my God. Give me one of them sticks, man. Give me one of them sticks. I'm listen, don't even.
We're keeping pace at 40 till we cross that line, guys.
And the MSB disputing people's tactics. All right, what we need to do is line them back up. Okay.
I thought we were keeping pace at 40 till we crossed that line, guys.
Don't tell me I done it. I was all right.
A little bit eager, a little bit eager. So what's happening
Yeah.
is as he's driving up, he's
Right.
getting a little bit quicker, a little bit quicker, a little bit quicker, and then you're getting a little bit quicker, a little bit quicker, and as it comes to the line, you're just getting on it a little bit early.
My gear was like a juggling like that.
It's hard, I know it is. So just hold it nice and steady.
Yeah. I mean, when we hit the cone, that's it started up, isn't it?
But you're accelerating a little bit before the cone.
Okay.
So wait until, but
Okay.
this is to decide it,
Okay. Say hello to my little friend. I will have you. I will have you.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Yo, that's mad. I would have said, right, I thought Kai was out of that. I thought Kai was out of it. It looked like he slowed down a little bit or didn't get on the throttle, was in the wrong gear or so, I don't know what happened. M3 looked like it got out front, but I'm gonna say the M2 drove back round him. M8 was up there from where I'm standing, and I'm always wrong, so it probably wasn't. But it looked like the M8 was in the mix there too. Let's find out who won. Finish line, who won that and by how much?
So I believe that was a bumper to the M2, followed by the M3, then the M8.
Oh man. Hey, shout out to MSW. Shout out to MSW, right now. A bumper to the M2.
I'm just sat here, I am shaking because I need my guy to win this. So I'm sat here just like, come
He's
on,
support,
he's
he's
got it.
cheerleading on the side.
Yeah, I just need the pom-poms.
You need the pom-poms.
Yeah, here we go, use that.
That was a lot better. I crossed that line at like 39, 40, man. That was perfect.
Woo! All right, time for the drag races.
The M2 has done it. The baby brother has punched up the big brother and sacked the dad.
He got you by a bumper.
Is it?
He got you by a bumper.
You know what happened? Because I was in D3, not S3.
Oh, no way.
Honest to God.
Oh,
Otherwise, you know what?
Close, so you and the M2 are bloody close. So close, a bumper.
Yeah.
Bro, that's sick, man.
Yeah, all
These
good.
two, like, a lot lighter than you. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
a lot
yeah,
lighter.
yeah.
You know, they're also questionable powers.
I know,
We're not 100%. You know what I mean? But bro, you're up in the mix of things. I think on that last one you was doing a lot
Yeah.
better. But yeah, I guess it's just the way. It's sick to have one of these in the mix, full stop.
Yeah, no,
you know
for
what
sure.
I mean?
Yeah.
Bad boy.
That's therefore tuned up a little bit, that one as
The
well.
M3.
Yeah.
A little bit of spice in there,
You
innit?
put a little bit of racing fuel in there as well.
Oh really?
Yeah.
These guys.
Right. Yeah. I'm on the channel. I'm on my own. Look,
Big MSB! Let's go!
listen, first time doing it. Yeah, this M2 is up against the boys, the bigger boys, the big brother and the father. Yeah, it shouldn't be in the competition. This car should not be in the same category, even up against these things. Yeah, but you know, we got this.
Ready, set, go!
In a bit, mate. Are you f***ing mad? Come on. M2 for the win. Light work, crew boy. Yeah? Absolute light work. Do you know what that was then? Demolition. Yeah?
Feel like there's some jumpy behaviour. We'll have to watch that one back because it looked like there was a couple of jumps. I want to say MSB started it. I'm going to also say MSB won, followed by the M3, followed by the M8. Finish line, finish line. Who won that?
So that was a win to the M2, followed by the M3, then the M8.
Okay, cool. I think we need to even up that start. I'll do a voiceover and we'll work out was it fair or not, but I think we're going to do that one again. Let's go.
And nope, that one is staying in, as slowing it down and looking back at the start, it looks like both parties jumped. The M2 and M3 left around the same time, both before the hands dropped. So that one's staying in. Let's line them back up and go again.
Man like Shuey, yeah? Come on. I'm not gonna lie right now, I'm officially gassed.
Ready, 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 set, go!
No, man, it's my lunch.
Personally, I think he jumped.
Oh yeah.
But I'm no referee. I might be being slightly biased as well.
Yo, the M3 got down that time. I can't lie. I want to say the M3 might have actually won that one. Let's find out. Finish line, finish line. Who won that?
That was a win to the M3, then the M2, then the M8.
M3's back in town. Okay, MSB's like, no! Punch in the sky, I can feel it already. M8 there. Don't know if it was a little bit of reactions. Maybe he's just a little bit off pace of these other guys. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, listen, we need to line them up one more time.
And looking back at that start, I can confirm no jump from the M3. Either very fast reactions or he was super lucky. Let's line him back up for a decider.
Ready, ready, ready. Ready, set, go! The stress, the drone that doesn't belong to us. I don't know who won. Frankly, right now, I don't actually care. That's how much stressfulness has been going on. But anyway, for you guys at home, I will find out who won. Let's find out. Finish line, finish line. Who won that? I'm saying the M2.
Well, the win is the M2, followed by the M3, then the M8.
Now we know. Guys, if you knew the dramas that were going on behind the camera, I'm not sure how much we've shown you. There's a reason I'm speaking in this quiet tone. Because you know when you're very angry, if you shout, you've lost it. So I'm keeping it very quiet. And you saw what you saw. Hope you had a good day. Good night.
The little brother has outshone the big brother and the daddy. He's given him a left, a right, and an uppercut. He said, go to bed, mate.
So let's take a look over at the fastest 100 to 200 kph times achieved during the runs using the VBox PBTs and extracting the data using RaceLogic's Test Suite software. And this is very interesting. The BMW M3 actually records the fastest time, going 100 to 200 kph in just 5.11 seconds, beating the M2's fastest time of 5.37 seconds. Mad. The M8 manages a best time of 6.25 seconds. And then taking a look over at the fastest quarter mile times achieved, the M2 gets one back, recording the fastest time. He records a 10.00 second run at a speed of 139 miles per hour, just beating the M3's fastest time of 10.06 seconds at an identical trap speed of 139 miles per hour. Crazy. The M8 manages a best time of 10.75 seconds at a speed of 131 miles per hour. And finally, taking a look over at the fastest 0 to 60 times achieved, once again, I can confirm the xDrive M2 goes fastest, hitting 60 in a mind-bending 2.31 seconds, beating the M3's rapid best time of 2.44 seconds. And the M8 manages a very respectable 0 to 60 time of 2.89 seconds. That's data to back up the results. And it looks like today, both rounds go to MSB and his xDrive converted M2. Congrats, bro. So today, we lined up 3 rapid, similar-powered BMW M cars, and the races did not disappoint. Both the M2 and M3 go back and forth fighting for the win, but proved to be extremely well matched considering the M2 is technically a Stage 3 car running on pump fuel, and the M3 is a Stage 2 Plus car running on an E-blend. The close quarter mile times and identical terminal speeds, matched with very close power to weights, actually prove that these two are running very similar power. The M2 had better grip from a dig and the M3 slightly faster on a roll, but regardless, very impressive from both. The M8 steps up with the most power but the lowest power to weight and struggles to keep up with its smaller, lighter siblings, but still manages to lay down some good times. However, it's clear to see, with similar power to the others, the M8 platform is just slightly outgunned. Regardless, a massive shout out to all 3 lads for stepping up today and laying rubber for the culture. And if you love crazy petrolhead content, make sure you head over to MSB's YouTube channel and hit that subscribe. Say I sent ya. And tell me this, if you could only have one of the 3 cars set outside on your drive, all things considered, which one would it be and why? And if you have enjoyed today's races, show your support by hitting that thumbs up. And if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, because we do this every week, same time, same place, at the OG Battles. Peace out.